YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. And today we're gonna work on a Caprice. And today, I can already tell there's actually heat inside the Caprice today. So I know, like, no water is getting in yet. It's still dry back there. So I'm gonna clean up all the headliner material that was up there. I don't know, there's like sound deadener maybe. So all this stuff right here gotta go. And the main goal is to see if we can see the floor. Much of the ground is underneath this carpet. So, because we know before, we definitely had skylight. So right now, you can see there's no daylight coming through. See, it's all black. So to give you an idea, this is basically what I had to do temporarily. Everywhere where the tape is where the holes were, or the pin holes, and everything's in the middle. Yeah, so the good news is everything is almost directly in the middle of the car, and this is where the panoramic roof is going. So all this is going to be cut out. But yeah, so I'm gonna take the seat out, take the both the top and bottom out, take all the trim that's out, clean this up, and then we'll take a look at the floor. Let's get it. So we made a little more progress. Shit. I mean, from here it don't look that bad.
Really, nigga?
It's starting to look more like a car right now. But yeah, I took all the screws and bolts off the floor, cleaned up all that trash. I still got this trash, but that's going on the ground and getting swept away. But yeah, it's not bad, man. So the only part I'm worried about is there. See how I was like dipped in there? There's air right there. I know the seat go there, the old bench, but I think we're gonna have some problems in that tunnel, and definitely on this side. So we're gonna do this together. Since this is nasty and who knows how many mice have been living in this car, I am wearing some protection, a little dust mask, and then gloves. I use gloves to clean it out, but it's gonna be quick, so I'm not gonna wear a full respirator mask, and I think it should just peel out. So let me find a good place for you guys. So believe it or not, I'm actually kind of impressed. I'm gonna toss out that installation right there. I think it's a little bit on top of this floor pan there. I expect it to be wet and rusty. Yeah. I'm gonna have to clean and vacuum this thing out.
Damn!
But the floor pans actually seem good. which is weird.
Really, nigga?
Like, actually no. I think that might be a plate. Anyway, we gotta see what that is. Yeah, I think these floors. Yeah. So right away, I mean, from from looking at it, so someone did some type of patch job on this floor. The rusty color, that's from the carpet, all that stuff, and the water sitting. But I'm not worried about that. There aren't any holes. Like, more likely, I'm still gonna cut this out and put the floor pan in front and the back. I need to scrape away all that stuff because I'm pretty sure that's a patch in the back, and that's like a. I think someone put like self-tapping screws and like a piece of metal or something. So once I scrape that up, I'll see what we're working with. Same thing on that side. I gotta see what's actually sitting on the floor, but we'll fix it. Oh, and the back seat's good, but yeah, they definitely did some homemade patching, I believe. But I was expecting to see big old holes. But anyway, it's your boy Loco. So I had to take a step back to take a good look at the car, and right away you can see water leaking. So we definitely know that's a patch. Which I expected. So like, look like someone literally just I don't know if that's like some type of small piece of metal, and they just like self-tapped sheet of metal for these holes instead of welding it. So I'm gonna take all that out, and we're gonna weld new floor pans on the driver's side, and I'm guessing might be the passenger side too, even though the front side I can't tell right now until I scrape all the stuff off, and then I'll take this insulation out in the back and see how bad that is. But I feel like the back got the worst of it from the water leaking in through the ceiling of the roof. But yeah, that's why I show this stuff, man, because people on YouTube, I mean, they make it look so easy, and they don't show you like the good and bad, and they don't show you stuff like old rusty floors and cutting it out. They all they do is like, yeah, I'm gonna put some new floors in. They show you with the carpet, and all of a sudden, brand new floorboard. Like they put it in themselves. Like people who don't know what a project car is, this is what a project car is: cutting out floors, welding in floor pans. Hopefully not repairing roofs, but I already plan on cutting the roof out. I'm gonna show you everything, man. I'm gonna keep it real on my channel. I'm gonna show you the type of stuff you can expect, and all the stuff hidden underneath. Nice, pretty stuff. Like, this is just the interior. I mean, who knows what's under the Bondo and everything on the exterior. The engine we don't really care about too much. Like I said, we're doing an LS swap. I'm still trying to get it to run so I can move it around. But this is old school restoration 101. If you don't want to deal with this type of stuff, this ain't for you. But yep. So we're gonna I'm gonna clean up the floor the best I can, wire wheel it, probably remove those plates. I don't know if I'm gonna remove it now or just wait until I can find a floor pan for it. More likely I'll have to make one. Some mosquitoes trying to kill me. But Yeah, it's your boy Loco, man. Let's keep going. Alright, so a large majority of the stuff I was trying to get done today was just get this carpet out, check out the floor, and see what all we need to be doing. So as you can see, I got some water right here from the installation that was soaked. That is just like a little cheap piece of metal, and they literally just rivet it. And not even rivet it, like self tappers. There's one, two. There's at least two, but there's probably like 4 or 5 self tappers with, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, there's like 16 gauge, like I can break it. So that's definitely a patch. There's one in the front. Anyway, just take this crap out with the self tappers in the front and the back. I'm gonna wire reel the hell out of all this and coat it with rust preventative, like some, I don't know how port 15, I use chassis saver. So that's what I'm gonna do on the floor. So let's take a look on the other side. So on the passenger side, it's the same thing. They got these like self tappers on there. Back seats, I don't think that's original. That's original metal. There's a small piece right there on the passenger side. So we definitely need new floors. So yep, they put patches on. You can see where it's kind of white right there. That needs to be replaced. That needs to be replaced. That one. And then there's a big piece on this side. So we're gonna need all 4 of the floor pans. But like I said, all I'm worried about right now is keeping the water, getting the water off the floor, and then keeping it out of here. Because we don't want any more of this to rust in, and that's already damaged. And I'm not gonna live in those self tappers. Like I said, I put some that tape right there is just some Flex Seal flex tape. Is that waterproof stuff? It works really well. That's just a temporary solution until we chop this out, because I'll be welding the ceiling and the floors. All 4, unfortunately, but I bought this car for like $600 with 22-inch rims. I could probably sell the rims for like 300 bucks. So it's like a $300 car. And this is a learning car, so that's what we definitely have to do. Because man, if you can do a floor and a sunroof and an engine, there ain't nothing you can't do, for real. But I hope this motivates you guys to see if I'm going through all this and your project may not be as bad. A couple guys on Facebook, they don't even have a roof. They don't have a door, they don't have a roof skin or nothing. Just straight frame, just straight support beams. So I mean, I could be doing worse. But this is a fun project for me. A lot of people be scared away from this, but if you restore old cars, people have seen this or worse than this before, so I'm giving you the real deal. You want to restore an old car, this is what the majority of them are going to look like, especially something this old. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Definitely share the video, definitely like, but as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.